So I'm doing a night drive in my 2017 Veloster Turbo, and I'm just gonna take it on some back roads and see how it performs. Doing some driving in different modes, like sport mode, manual mode, which is like using the paddles, and then I'll probably just do regular drive. And yeah, and I just got a new transmission installed because the transmission went, but it's been pretty good so far. And it's a dual clutch transmission for anyone that doesn't know. So this is just drive. This is like cruising around. And by the way, guys, the car is like straight piped, resonator delete, muffler delete. Yeah, and it's pretty loud. Like this, I should have videoed the cold start, but it screams on the cold start. And it sounds pretty good. It's not like a Civic or anything, like a Ricer. But yeah, this is just drive mode. It's not too bad in drive. You can kind of just cruise around. And it handles really good. I'm on Raceland coilovers, and I have a strut bar in the front. Not that that does much, but fuck. Fucking bumps, bro. They're so bad around here. Massachusetts roads, not the best. Yeah, I'll go into sport mode now. Just kind of, it doesn't really do much, kind of just raises the RPMs a little bit. I also have the K&N intake. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the video. I hope the audio is good. This is my first time filming, so let me know what you guys think in the comments if you think I should improve anything. This car gets a lot of hate. I don't know why. Like, it's a pretty fun car. Like, I mean, I get that it's ugly. Like, it's not the best looking car, but it's like for the money. Like, it drives amazing. I mean, maybe the older models aren't as good. This is the 2017, so it's the last year of the first gens. But I have a lot of fun with this car. I think it's super underrated. It's hard to tell what cars are cops nowadays, eh? Alright, so I'll do a little pull here. I'll just kind of floor it in automatic. It's a pretty good pull. It didn't downshift when I floored it, but it would have been better if it did. Like there we go. Guys, keep in mind this car isn't tuned or anything. It's just straight piped intake. That's all I got on it right now. I don't know if I'm looking to keep it much longer. I've been really looking into getting like a 370Z Nismo or a Camaro SS. I'm not too sure. I'm really stuck in between them. The prices are just crazy right now, so. roads are a little bit sketchy, guys. Looks like this guy's having some fun too, potentially. Maybe this guy too. There's Audi. State police station is like right here, so I always forget that. Dude, I hope they didn't hear any of that. It's fucking hauling. It's so bad. I'm gonna go straight. Yeah, they're right over there. Hopefully no one heard that. Because this car is fucking loud. It's crazy. I don't trust any of these little side roads. You never know where cops are hiding out nowadays. And let me know how the quality is coming out. I know I said that before, but this is a GoPro Hero 8. I'm not too sure if it's good or not, but I'm kind of just testing it out. Maybe I'll get a better camera in the future if things go well. God, this guy's moving out of the way. I hope the camera isn't too shaky. It's pretty bumpy. I don't have the best head mount either, so I'm kind of just using what I got. But yeah, if you guys like the video so far, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm trying to get a following here. I just made a new channel, so hopefully things go well. If I get a Z and you guys like Z's, you should subscribe, because I'll do some content on that. I'd like to get the 400Z, that'd be pretty cool, but those are just marked up crazy right now. It's just not even worth it. But yeah, so my transmission went like about 2 months ago, and I had to get it towed to the shop because in reverse it just wasn't going, not revving or anything. And I think it's because I was driving around in the snow having a little fun, and then it just kind of, something broke. I don't know, it kind of sucks, but you know, things happen. Got it fixed now. Got it fixed under warranty, so that's good. It's kind of sad that these transmissions only last like 80,000 miles. But other than that, I haven't had any issues with the car. It's been reliable. I do beat the shit out of it, as you can see. Like, this thing is not like babied at all. I mean, it is. I do like the oil changes, I do maintenance, I wash it all the time, I do all that stuff, the normal shit. But I beat the shit out of it as well, so yeah. If you guys have a Veloster, let me know. If you have any recommendations down below for anything I should do or something you see wrong. guys can hear those, but sometimes I can get it to do like gunshots, which is crazy for no tune. But I guess these cars are just built different, huh? Alright guys, I'm probably gonna end off the video here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button. Comment down below. Have a good one.